Hi, it's Dr. Fawad Mian from Neurologist MD and Pro Healing Med Spa, and we're just seeing how you're doing. How's your year going? Are you achieving your goals? Are you dealing with lots of pain and doing the activities that you love to do? Are you getting to where you need to be? Are you taking those steps to exercise and eat better? We have a series called Pro Healing Insights, which I hope you'll enjoy, but we're going to give you tips and tricks for different things that may be able to help you with pain, with weight loss, with energy, fatigue, getting your brain to work better. And I hope these are a series that you really enjoy because it's just giving you information that you can utilize to get your year off to where you really want it to be, especially if you're still struggling with unsolvable or debilitating pain. So let's talk about it. I always love solving the unsolvable.